Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to change screen recorder's sound settings on ULEFONE Note 18 Pro Note. Firstly, pull from the top of your screen to bottom and search for the S capture icon. For me, it's located right here, but it may vary on your device. After you found it, just simply press it, not press and hold, but just press it. And now tap on record screen, and here you can choose where you would like to record your audio from. It can be your device, your mic, both of them, or none of them, so the video is going to be muted. And that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any more questions, let us know in the comments.